And this season we're doing smoothies right here on Smoothie Sailing. Smoothie Sailing!
Smoothie Sailing!
And Daria, today's recipe's got to do with having a cough and cold. You know when you're feeling sick and you drink this, you'll feel much better. So we've called this the Bye Cold Smoothie.
Bye Cold!
Do you want to try and make it?
But I don't like cold.
No, nobody likes a cold, but this is a great way to get rid of the cold. And the ingredients are
oranges and lemon juice, ginger, maple syrup, orange juice.
Daria, do you want to go ahead and try?
Yeah.
Okay. I need you to first put in the oranges.
Okay. Then the ginger.
Come on. Okay, Daria, and the next ingredient, let's put in some lime juice.
No, first the honey.
First lime juice, then the maple syrup. Come on.
Okay, then.
So Daria, you know lime juice is good for you because it cures a lot of ailments, and if you realize that in different kitchen ingredients as well, they use lime and lemon because it's great at scrubbing and cleaning, and this is a great ingredient for cleaning out all the toxins in your system. So shall we go ahead and put in some ginger as well?
Yeah.
So do you know what ginger does, Daria?
Yeah.
Ginger lifts and boosts your immunity. Immunity means your inside system. It makes you feel better. Do you want to go ahead and put in the ginger? Okay, Daria, now we need to put a little bit of maple syrup. Here. Okay, Daria, now orange juice is left. I will have to pour this one because it's a bit heavy. Okay, Daria, now let's go ahead and blend this, okay? Great. Daria, now that I've poured yours, I'm going to pour mine, okay?
There's a seed.
Now this is an amazing recipe to get rid of coughs and colds. What straw do you want to put in, Daria?
Achoo!
Yes, hachu. Should we put in orange straws? Or do you want to put in green straws?
I want only that.
Let's do green straws. Look, it's so cute. Okay, Daria, you ready to try this?
Yeah.
You can completely taste the ginger and maple syrup in this one. This is an amazing recipe for colds, so make sure when you do have a cold to try out the smoothie and even otherwise, just as a pick-me-up in the morning. Yes, Daria?
No.
Okay, let's say cheers.
Cheers. Bye.
Bye!
Please subscribe. Okay, Daria. The last ingredient is...
Okay, Daria, the last ingredient.
Orange juice.
Yes, orange juice. Let's go ahead and pour orange juice.
Heavy.
Yes, I'm gonna pour it.
The biggest one.